hours and hours. And we're on the way. So it's 11 o'clock and we just landed in Chicago. Yeah. We about to probably like rent a car or an Uber or something so we can get to the hotel. About to show y'all the view out the window real quick. Hold on. Oh, you can't see the sign, but the sign says Chicago, but it's like a huge glare. Oh, you can see it now. What car? Star 29. It's kind of cute, I guess. It say Illinois, y'all. Look, that's so cute.
With the license plate.
I ain't finna go ask her again.
Just makes it.
What a
see
slick
the keyword.
mind.
That's it.
Y'all, this our little car.
In the car.
The key in the car, that ain't smart. Well, they got all them. Yeah, they got all them things. Can't nobody drive up out of here. Y'all, we finally made it to the rental car.
Who driving?
It's like one. I drive. It's like you gotta film though. It's like 1 in the morning, and we just getting in the rental car. So we'll see y'all when we get to the hotel. Hey y'all, good morning. So we're in the hotel. I'm not gonna tell y'all where we're going yet, but we're in the hotel. We just woke up. It's really late. It's like 12. It's like almost, no, I think it's like 12. And we just got up and we about to get dressed and go get something to eat. And then after that, I'll show y'all where we're going. I didn't film last night because we was coming in like super early, and y'all probably wouldn't want to see this hotel where we staying at. Let's just say, shut up. Let's just say they kind of got us, because I thought it was a little nicer than it is, but yeah, they like put minimal pictures on their website. But we booked and we had to like go somewhere. Like we didn't get here until like 2 o'clock this morning, so it's not like we could have left and been like, let's find another hotel. No, we just checked in and went to sleep. So we just up and we're about to get dressed and stuff. I know I look wretched. I literally like just woke up. So y'all will see me in a bit when we get ready to head out. We finally
look at the Dollar Tree.
That's a regular Dollar Tree.
Are you kidding me right now?
What?
You got to be joking. You got to be.
We're out trying to find something
Sharks,
to eat.
fish, chicken.
I don't know. I like country houses and stuff like this. It looks so pretty.
But
too.
these like ain't no.
I think this
houses is pointless because they ain't even have no big yards.
So
Why you
what?
got a
I don't
country house
care.
with no
It's so
yard?
cute.
Like
That'd
in
be
North
perfect
Carolina,
like Christmas time with their lights and stuff and their whole street lit
in
up.
North Carolina, they got a whole farm behind their house.
I don't care. We're
Like,
not
that's
talking
lit.
about farms right now. We kind of just sightseeing, y'all. Ain't that nothing exciting?
Y'all, Lisa about to go make up.
So pretty, just hot right on there.
Oh my God!
He just jumped up on me.
No.
It's okay. It's a he.
That's funny.
It's a he.
No, girl.
Oh.
Once she like you, she jump right up like, what's up?
Don't be ignoring my text, little lady.
Hey, don't you see me making money?
Okay.
Huh?
Hey, girl, don't fall. I don't know what you're doing now.
Boy, I don't know how to act with that cat.
Because the cat.
Get your text. Come get your tickets, bro.
You want to get that?
So she getting them bushes together.
Been getting them
This is so
I
nice.
say she is working. Train. Been getting them out.
So y'all, this before,
I got to catch up. Girl.
and now they about to do some little, you know.
Especially your life.
So,
I ain't gonna get on. She's about to go in front. Like,
You been bad? How you been bad?
Nope. No, you about to start right here.
Yeah. You said don't start it from
No.
start like right here.
You pull my beard? I know your granddaddy got a beard.
Come on.
Go, girl. I'm trying to so light though.
Huh? That's fine.
Don't lose the tickets, bro.
You draw your
It's
tail. Draw your tail.
it's an auditorium, but it's yourself. It's not a science ticket.
Do you like the pencil?
Girl.
Yep. Perfect. You got this, girl. She's trying to get you.
Litra, is it coming through?
Huh?
Ooh, Jesus.
Girl, Cheryl. You so dumb. Okay, with you.
I don't scare the people. Don't worry, y'all. She gonna fill them in. She ain't gonna leave it.
Shut up.
It's coming together. Probably in a different light. I think because it's so shimmering and the light's so bright. But I can see it. This is the beautiful.
Especially on your thing.
God.
Huh? Can you sit in the dark? A little bit? No. I need to put some more glue. Yeah, go ahead.
Stop doing that focus face.
That mouth.
Yeah.
That's our time to change the face.
Ooh, honey.
Just dial **424 on your mobile phone right now. That's **424. Dial **.
Even at 4239 Lincoln Highway in Madison, Illinois. It's going down from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. And to win tickets today.
We know Larry. Hey, Larry. It's okay. She slick. She
Monday night football at S2 Ultra Bowl with over 60 entrees.
So what's that contour? That's so soft.
It's softer than yours, Lisa.
Yeah, girl. Well, yeah, I think it is softer than yours.
That's crazy.
No. Her daddy came to get her.
William murdered a beat.
They gonna see the background like, wait a minute.
Before you end it, save it.
Before I end,
Yeah, like when you go to end it, save it. So
that's how they telling them now. My breath party hot. My breath hot. No.
Girl, they taking too long. I'm about to take a picture. Girl, we'll do it
That's how you have to
tomorrow.
So just put, you know you can save it. That's what I'm saying.
Save it for what?
And then post it, and it'll still see it. Y'all, look who it is. Ah! It is B. Marie, honey. Yeah, somebody coming out.
Hey, girl.
Y'all cute.
Hey.
Guys. Girl,
Thank
yes.
you. Bree did my makeup, girl. Hey, girl.
They're going to be doing some more tomorrow.
We're
So
gonna
y'all
do a
tune
tutorial
in.
tomorrow.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you, girl. Hey, girl.
If y'all want to see Bree and Velitra Street do some more stuff, y'all better tune in tomorrow. They going to come back. They going to be back for a long time.
That's right.
Okay.
I look at your mom. She look at it.
You want me to save it? Okay, I'm going to save it.
She don't look at it.
Okay.
Hey y'all, good morning. Y'all say hey to Nettie.
Don't say hi to me. It's
Say
cold.
hey, Nettie. So we are out here at the what this beach called again? Well, it ain't really no
Stony
beach.
Island.
Stony Island Lake out here in Chicago. So my sister about to do a photo shoot,
And
and
30
so
degree weather.
we just met this creepy photographer right here.
It's so mean.
I'm just playing.
Oh my God.
we just met and we about to go over here to the lake, so I'm gonna let y'all see a little bit of what we doing. It's so Jupiter early. When I tell you this girl woke me up at 4 o'clock to do her makeup this morning, she crazy. And then I ain't gonna say that. I said then the nigga had the nerve to tell us we was supposed to be here at 7 and we got here at 6 o'clock. So we had to wait around a little bit for him, but we got lost, so it was okay. I'm gonna turn it around so y'all can see her. She got me walking up hills and stuff, y'all. It's so cute out here. Hold on, I'm gonna switch the camera around. Like the sun is just coming up, so.
Park closes at 11.
Y'all, it's so cold. It's like 45? She finna freeze. I'm finna tell y'all that right now. She about to be froze. She out there walking with the photographer. She got on her sweats right now, but she about to pose in her bathing suit. In her bathing suit, she about to freeze. So y'all stay tuned for her freezing, okay? Y'all look at that beach. It's so easy. Like in Palm Beach, you gotta walk 2-3 miles to get to the water. Through the sand and everything. It's so pretty. That's where we just came from over there, where we parked at. And then this is the water. It looks so nice. So after we finish up here, we're gonna be going back to the room, probably have breakfast or something. Ooh, okay.
We can walk all the way out down the pier.
Yeah, look like it.
Ooh, that's scary though if you fall in.
This is so pretty.
It is. That camera's so ugly.
These waves are so like pretty. They just like like just. They're not like ours. Yeah, they like graceful. Ours so rough and like aggressive. That is so pretty. I probably got to slow down with recording so I can have some space. Look at this, y'all. Oh my gosh. This is so freaking cool. He's talking with a photographer. Look at these waves though, y'all. This is nice.